Hello. Hello, hi Nam. What is your name?
My name is Nam.
Hi Nam. Okay, hi Nam. Can you tell me how are you?
It's Yo.
Okay, so are you happy? Are you good? Are you fine? Are you happy? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. Now can you tell me, hi Nam, how old are you?
It's Yo.
You were 8 years old. Okay, okay. All right. What is your favorite color?
Red.
Wow, red. I like red. Okay. Now, hi Nam, I'm gonna ask you some questions from the Fat Man. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good, very good. Let's listen to the first sentence, okay? After 6 months, he weighs only 170 pounds. Ooh.
Ooh.
Does he weigh 70 pounds? Does he weigh only 70 pounds? Yes or no?
No.
No. Does he weigh 100 pounds?
No.
No. Does he weigh 50 pounds?
No.
No. Does he weigh 170 pounds?
No.
No. Does he weigh 170 pounds?
Yes.
Yes, very good, very good. Now, can you tell me, how much does he weigh? How much does he weigh?
500.
No, not 500. He weighs 170 pounds. Yes, very good, very good. Let's listen to the next sentence, okay? He goes to a restaurant. Ooh.
Ooh.
Does the fat man go to a school?
No.
No. Does the fat man go to his home?
No.
No. Does the fat man go to a park?
No.
Oh, does he go to a restaurant?
Yes.
Yes. Where does the fat man go?
Restaurant.
Very good. Restaurant. All right. Hi, Nam. You did a very good job, okay? Fantastic. All right. Thank you so much. Are you happy now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Now let's say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Teacher.